Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your tenant and that Sharepoint is enabled, because without that you cannot proceed. Once confirmed, assign at least one owner and one member so permissions are ready. Next, choose a clear site name, privacy setting, and classification to match governance. Make sure those decisions align with your org policy. This prevents later rework. Now open the Sharepoint Admin Center and click Create Site to begin the team site workflow. You now choose the team site template and link it to an Office 365 group so email and membership sync automatically, which simplifies management. Once done, set the site address and preferred language. These are hard to change later, so be deliberate. Configure storage and sensitivity labels to meet compliance. Labels control external sharing and retention. Finally, add owners and members, and enable optional integrations like Planner or Teams to support collaboration from day one. You finish by creating document libraries, lists, and the main navigation so users find content quickly. Then apply site branding and perform a permissions review to ensure least privilege access. Invite stakeholders and walk them through the layout. If something goes wrong, first verify group membership sync and sharing settings, and check the Sharepoint Admin Center logs for errors. If issues persist, remove and re-add the problematic member or temporarily change privacy to diagnose access problems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.